Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. Today short video demonstration is Arduino based project and it's a game Tic Tac Toe with Arduino OLED display and two buttons. Let's start. In description below I will put link from the original author of this project, which is Arduino Tic Tac Toe. You will find a download code for the game and schematic. Please check out. As you can see, for making this very simple Arduino game, you will need just two push buttons. You will need a OLED display 128 by 64 pixels and any Arduino board. After connecting all the wires for the buttons and for the display, you will upload the code to the Arduino and you can start your game. Just to mention that some OLED displays works on 3.3 volts or 5 volts. Mine it's working on 5 volts, but you need to be very careful about that. Let's power up the game now. Reset. And I forgot to tell you that you are playing against computer. With one button you choose what square you want it. For example, I like this one. He move on the middle. Here, CPU, here. I need to place right here. Here. Okay. He won. CPU wins. Okay, you get it. Always the first move have the computer, and that it's not great. Okay. Here. Okay. Oh, come on, man. Here. Okay. Draft. No one wins. It's a great game with Arduino and small OLED display. That was all for today's project. Give a like, share and subscribe. Maybe I will make this project in tiny box with rechargeable battery, and I'm gonna use maybe Arduino Nano or Arduino Pro. This is good.